Yeah. I think, again, if I was being honest, I think that we're going to see increases in processing times for perms specifically. I think we're going to see increased audits, and I think that we're going to see potential changes in how the labor department expects for recruitment to be conducted acceptably under the law. And so I think the only thing that can be done is just to make sure that everything's done by the letter of the law. I think that, in my opinion, I guess the last 4 years preceding this, I think that there was a higher level of, I don't know how to say this in a better way, maybe callousness. I think people probably took advantage, practitioners and companies, of the relative ease, notwithstanding those DOJ lawsuits, of the labor certification process. I think that the key is just, again, I kind of said this a few times, just do what is within your power to control. Make sure your employment verification letters are written with quality. They stipulate all of the required skills that you will need for the position and that you have them. Make sure you've got your evaluations done for your academic credentials if you need them. Make sure that your company has a lawyer that they're working with, or that they know what they're doing with this process if you're putting your trust in them. And then if you have any questions, I know when I worked with, I do this today. When I work with companies who are doing labor certifications for their employees, I make sure the company knows, like, hey, I want to be available to answer questions for your employees if they have questions about their case. Obviously, we have attorney-client privilege. I will not disclose anything that you do not permit me to do so, but I want to be a resource to the employees, since they are also relying on this process for them and their families. And I think a lot of other attorneys are that same way. So I would try to communicate with your company and your company's attorney about this process, to make sure they keep you in the loop as best they can. And just, pray, hope for some good luck here in the next 4 years with this process.